Have you ever noticed that a lot of web pages look the same? According to one study of over 10,000 websites, you aren't just imagining it. But why does it happen?
I think it's a really hard question. It's sort of like, why don't architects build better buildings?
Today's web designers face a few major challenges. First, they need to make a site that's intuitive and easy to use. After all, just imagine what would happen if every time you visited a new website, it meant you had to relearn basic navigation.
Those design systems create the opportunity to get something up and running that looks good and that people find familiar very, very quickly.
But just because you know how to shop online doesn't mean everyone else, say someone's grandma, can do it as easily.
There's risk because you're assuming that what worked for somebody else is going to work for you, that your target audience is the same as their target audience, and you don't know that.
Another challenge is designing a website that works across different devices. Popular solutions like grid designs help create consistency across different phones, computers, and tablets, but they also create uniformity across many websites.
I know some people sort of lament the success of Site in the Box tool because all of a sudden everything really looks the same, and I think that's a legitimate concern. But I also feel at the same time that the more people have access to good design, and I think a lot of the templates that you get on these services are good, if not great, then it will fuel the appetite for good design.
That's where the challenge of creativity comes in.
The challenge with aesthetics especially is that your organization has to value it. It has to be a brand promise or a brand value.
Innovative design is rarely a priority. I think generally you're trying to produce the design that will do the least amount of harm while meeting the minimum requirements.
But playing it safe can also be dangerous if the competition takes the opportunity to innovate.
And it can steal your customers away from you. And we've seen that time after time after time after time. The better experience always wins, right? The experience with less friction always wins.
While finding new, exciting ways for users to interact with a site isn't easy, it also isn't impossible.
Novel solutions aren't necessarily unintuitive. They just require more investment, more time, more care to make sure that they are both novel and intuitive and understandable to the user. It represents a tremendous opportunity to be seen as something more memorable, something more meaningful for your customers.
Because at the end of the day, great web design is something unique that's also familiar.